Gold versus silver. The question for the ages. We all wish to just look up to the heavens and find the answer to this question. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you which one of these metals you should buy, gold versus silver. Also, stay to the end of this video to watch my viewer response. I choose one comment and respond live. It may be your comment. Let's do this in 3 minutes, and away we go. Let's clear up the first argument over gold versus silver. Yes, silver is a pretty shiny object that holds aesthetic value, and it is an industrial metal that will never take away from the drive we have toward gold. Thousands and thousands of years have shown us that people are drawn to this yellow metal. I cannot tell you why. I cannot explain what is wrong with us. I can just highlight the fact that we are driven toward gold. We have always been driven toward it, and as long as humans inhabit this planet, we will kill for gold. It can be argued that our drive is motivated by its rarity. I don't entirely believe that argument, because there are other metals that are rare, but we just love that gold. So no, gold is not an industrial metal. We are not motivated to get our hands on it for industry, but I see our drive, our inherent human drive to obtain gold, as a stronger force than silver is used in industry. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about that. I read all your comments, and I really am eager to hear your opinion. Let's talk money. The most common argument regarding gold and silver is based upon the silver to gold ratio. If you've been watching my channel, then you know I've devoted entire videos to this theory. I'm not going deep in the math here. Just know that ideally, the price of silver would be closer to the price of gold. The ratio would be tighter. If gold is presently $2,000 per ounce, let's make it an even number for argument's sake. If it is presently $2,000 per ounce, then silver, the price of silver would be closer to $2,000 per ounce. Presently, the ratio holds a large spread, and that is why we focus and bite our nails over this idea. Should we put our hard-earned money into silver, or should we put our hard-earned money into gold? If the ratio was tighter, we wouldn't have to worry so much. I believe that we as a community, we as a group of precious metal stackers, for the most part, are working toward silver versus gold game. We're doing it correctly. That is to say, most of us are stacking silver. We're accumulating silver. We buy as many generic rounds and as many generic ounces of silver as we can afford. And as our stack of silver grows, we flip that stack for fractional gold. I think that is the correct model. I think that's the correct method. I've done that for years. And because that has worked so well for me, I believe that the answer to silver versus gold is silver. Silver. That is the metal that is the more readily accessible for us. And yes, at the end of the day, we do flip our silver for gold, but the spot price for gold is just out of reach. Should the silver to gold ratio tighten, then I may have a different opinion. But presently, the answer to the question of silver versus gold, I say silver. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm eager to hear your opinions on this, and I explain that in 3 minutes. In my last video, Fossman1000 said, I make many purchases, he says, and intend to pay any 20% capital gains. Should it be there at any time of selling off? Hopefully, he says, it will go away when the dollar becomes gold-backed. Gold is not on my radar, more so silver, but the same principle applies. Thanks for that comment. I think we all feel that way regarding gold. It's just not even on our radar. Silver is so accessible. It is remarkable, the price difference between silver and gold. Most people think of gold as something they may be able to jump into 5, 10, 20 years, maybe when they retire, right? The difference in price is so strong that we often ignore these heavy premiums that come with silver. Compared to gold, an American Silver Eagle is cheap. Yes, I said it. Compared to gold, it truly is cheap. It is. Now, the premiums, when we really look at American Silver Eagles, we always turn away when we stop and think about it. But compared to gold, it really is. So hit subscribe. I post 3 videos per week. Hit subscribe. I don't want you to miss it. I'll see you in the next video.